Amiga, let's have some dinner. I have a torta de papa with some grilled chicken on top, avocado, onion, cottage cheese, hot honey, and chili flakes. I think that's it. It's like a little DIY Chipotle bowl situation, whatever the fuck. Cheers. Oh, that was a little too much cottage cheese, girl. Whatever. Yum. This is so good. This grilled chicken is so yummy. Shout out to Granny girl. I love to do like the whole potato with protein, cottage cheese, and avocado and hot honey. It's so good. Oh, hello. It's so good with so many variations.